Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden, and it's day 9 of the quarantine gardeners, and here we are out in our front yard.
Yep, we were excited we haven't taken you on a tour of our front yard yet. We followed through on one of our big plans last year, and we finally converted our front yard into a front yard garden. Yep. We took out all the lawn.
Yep, we dug out the lawn with a sod cutter and then terraced the area and built retaining walls and raised beds. And we're gonna show you around.
Yeah, we love it. We grew a ton of vegetables and flowers last year, and we could not be happier with this transformation.
Well, here's our front yard. This is what we did last year.
If you guys could picture just grass, just covering this whole area, really kind of ugly, unusable grass.
Mossy.
Yeah.
It was on a hill. This actually was a hillside at one point. It sloped down, so the sod cutter was fun to wrestle with and wrangle with to take out 8-inch sections of grass. So yeah, so here we go. We're gonna take a walk down the path here. See our little path there, and we're gonna take a walk. These are the raised beds on both sides of us. So what we have here is we have pumice block that the beds are made out of, and then we cap them with a different type of blue stone paver, and we use them as capstones.
We love them. We just found them on a whim, and we couldn't wait to get these installed.
Yeah, it was fun digging all this up, and it took a lot of work. And this is when I was working still full time, and Allison was working full time, and we'd come home, and for about 30 minutes, sometimes even just 15 minutes, we'd come out here and take a pickaxe and dig in and level it out, and then we started really laying down the blocks, and it was great. Yeah, we laid some of those capping stones in pairs as a walkway, come up from the driveway, and then come straight up, and then to walk through, and then here we go.
Got some Swiss chard growing right there, and the troughs over here. This was overgrown with veggies last year, and we can't wait we're getting our starts going in our greenhouse right now, and then we can transplant them out here.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. We can't wait to get this all under production.
If you notice, we have different sizes and shapes of our beds, and we did that on purpose. When we sat down to design it, we knew this space would look so rectangular, so we started softening it with circles. So you'll see we've got our container pots and some circle beds. And our kale has not stopped growing yet. We actually were just talking about this the other day and thinking, should we just cut it all out? It's starting to flower right here.
Yep.
But we still have healthy leaves to cut off.
Yep, these are all usable. We could harvest these if we wanted to and put them in salads, or even fry them up, bake them, and have kale chips. That'd be kind of fun. So, and we've got more over here.
Okay. Our plan was to get rid of all our grass because it was unusable space, and we were wasting a lot of time and energy and resources trying to keep it green and mow it, and yeah. Sean can attest to that.
Yeah, a lot of time aerating, fertilizing, trying to demoss. Just got to be a waste of money and time. So we thought, why not convert it over to something we can actually use and grow a lot of beautiful and usable plants in.
Right, which we did, and we have never had it for a full year, so this is coming up on our first spring.
Yep.
So we're really excited to get things planted earlier this year and have more cut flowers, more herbs, and pollinator-friendly plants.
Yep, it's going to be great. We can't wait. So are you planning on putting something in your front yard or changing your front yard over? Let us know down below in the comments section.
Yeah, what kind of plants and flowers are you planning to grow this year?
Yeah, and if you like this video, if you found it useful or just entertaining, give us the thumbs up, and also subscribe to see any updates in any videos that we have in the future.
So for now, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Yep, see you tomorrow, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.